In this video, we will learn how to do visualizations in Python for data in a CSV file. We have already learned how to do visualizations such as line chart, bar chart, pie chart, and scatter chart in Python. If you have not already watched the video, please watch this video, Visualizations in Python, Line Chart, Bar Chart, Pie Chart, Scatter Plot by Dr. A. In that video, we used hard-coded data instead of data from a data file. And then we also learned how to read CSV files in Python. If you have not watched this video, please watch this first, Reading CSV Data File in Python by Dr. A. So in this video, we will combine the two concepts. We will create visualizations in Python for data read from a CSV file. So we have a CSV file like this called salesdata.csv. So we will first read this CSV file, and for the data read, we will create a line chart, a bar chart, and a pie chart. Similarly, we have a file called xyvalues.csv. The data looks like this. So we will first read this data file, and then we will create a scatter plot for this data. So let's move to Spider. So we are in Spider. I'm showing you the Python code for reading the salesdata.csv and creating these lists, months and sales, and also reading the xyvalues.csv and creating these lists, x values and y values. So let's run this code and see what it does. So we'll first import pandas. We will read the salesdata.csv. We'll print the data frame. So that's the data frame. We will create the list months and sales, and then print months. There's a printout of months, and print sales. That's a printout of sales. Next, we will read the xy values. We'll print the data frame. So that's the data frame for xy values. We will create a list called x values for the first column x and y values for the second column y, and then print the x values. So here are the x values printed, and here's the y values printed. Okay. Now I'll show you the code we had for creating a line plot, a bar chart, a pie chart, and a scatter chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file where I will copy and paste the data for reading the data file. Read a CSV file in Python and create visualizations for that data. So we have read the data file, and now I'm going to copy and paste the code for creating a line chart. So here, we'll first import matplotlib, import matplotlib .pyplot_splt, and then we will copy and paste the code for creating a line chart and paste it here. Notice that we were using months and sales as the variables, and that's what we've created here, months and sales. So let's run this. It created a plot there. That's the plot it just created for January through December, and these are the sales. Oh, by the way, our data is going beyond 2000, so we need to change the top Y limit to 24. Let's make it 2500. Okay, let's redo this line chart there. Okay. Similarly, we can copy and paste the code for bar chart and change the top limit to 2500 and run the bar chart. There's a bar chart for the data read from the sales data file. Similarly, we can copy and paste the code for creating the pie chart. Here we don't have to worry about the Y limit, and we can create the pie chart there. And finally, we will copy and paste the code for scatter plot. So X values and Y values are already created here from xyvalues.csv. So that's the code for scatter plot, and let's run it. That's my scatter plot. So in this video, we have read the data from CSV file, two different CSV files, and then we created some lists of the columns of data, and then we used those lists to create a line chart, a bar chart, a pie chart, and a scatter chart. So that's the end of this video.